Only for tomorrow, Lordship.
Sorry,
Humble prayer, Lordship. It will be
sorry,
taken
sorry.
tomorrow.
Your prayer is rejected. ये तो आप बहस करिए, तो हम सुन आप समझ के लिखा देंगे, जैसी आपकी इच्छा, कोई
Lordship.
दिक्कत नहीं।
Lordship.
हम्म,
This is a defendant's appeal, Lordship.
यस।
I'll point out to the how the hierarchy has gone into.
हम्म,
Our father was Itwari Ram,
हम्म,
and Itwari Ram had two wives.
यस। टू वाइफ्स।
Two wives, Lordship. One was Kaushalya Bai and another was Janki Bai.
यस।
Kaushalya Bai had three daughters,
हम्म,
Draupadi Bai, Shakun Bai, and Amrika Bai.
द्रौपदी, शकुन एंड
And Amrika Bai. Draupadi and Shakun Bai are plaintiff 1 and 2, and Amrika Bai is defendant 1. Janki Bai, who's the second wife, is the defendant number 2. She had three children, Om Prakash, Saraswati, and Chitrarekha.
ओम प्रकाश, सरस्वती,
And Chitrarekha.
चित्रलेखा। यस।
Lordship, the dispute primarily pertains to plaintiff 1, 2, and defendant number 1, Draupadi, Shakun, and Amrika Bai. After the death of Itwari Ram, the first wife and their daughters and the second wife and their children had entered into a mutual agreement in a civil suit, and a partition had taken place between them in 2004 itself. Thereafter, Lordship, now the first wife and their three daughters received certain properties in partition.
What was the total area of the property possessed by Tiwari?
Lordship, that was there were total three villages and some house, three houses. So in village Bori, it was around 13.22 acre of land. In village Mohlai, around 4.17 acre of land. And in village Karela, around 3.15 acre of land. And in
Yes.
and there were certain houses also. A total of 23.44 acre of land we have the plaintiffs have stated that he was in possession of. This was divided among the two wives and their children.
Kaushalya and Janki.
Janki and their children. इनके पे आपस में सिविल
Earlier
सूट
there would have partition between Kaushalya and Janki.
लॉर्डशिप
तो
इनका सिविल सूट होके एक पार्टीशन हो गया दैट
नहीं,
इज
तो वो सिविल सूट में कितना किसको मिला था?
लॉर्डशिप दैट सिविल सूट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड
देखिए
लॉर्डशिप
कहाँ से है सिविल सूट का कोई जजमेंट होगा। कितना मिला था उस सिविल सूट में?
लॉर्डशिप that has been pleaded lordship. The dispute as of now pertains between the daughters of Kaushalya Bai. इनको जो भूमि मिली,
इनके पास कितनी प्रॉपर्टी थी टोटल, वही तो हम पूछ रहे हैं। कौशल्या बाई के जो इन तीनों द्रौपदी, शकुन और अम्बिका को के
लॉर्डशिप
पास कितनी प्रॉपर्टी थी जिसका डिस्प्यूट है?
लॉर्डशिप प्लेंटिव्स ने जो प्लीड किया है लॉर्डशिप, उसके अकॉर्डिंग
ये दिया सर डिटेल।
2.16 हेक्टेयर का है डिस्प्यूट।
लॉर्डशिप ज्यादा है थोड़ी प्रॉपर्टी। अगर
कौन सा
डब्ल्यू
आपने तो सूट प्रॉपर्टी शेड्यूल ए है।
शेड्यूल ए और शेड्यूल बी की दो प्रॉपर्टीज है लॉर्डशिप टोटल।
शेड्यूल ए और शेड्यूल बी दोनों हैं।
शेड्यूल ए और शेड्यूल बी दोनों है। शेड्यूल ए में 3 विलेजेस हैं और शेड्यूल बी में एक घर है। दो दो घर के डिस्क्रिप्शन है।
टोटल प्रॉपर्टी कितनी हुई तो हम पूछ रहे
टोटल
हैं।
प्रॉपर्टी लॉर्डशिप एज पर प्लेंटिव, इनका बोलना है कि 5.09 हेक्टेयर्स का डिस्प्यूट है।
5.09।
हाँ, वी आर डिस्प्यूटिंग दैट इन्होंने कुछ दो खसरा नंबर को एक्सक्लूड कर दिया है शेड्यूल ए से।
अच्छा।
एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट लॉर्डशिप, आर सोल ग्राउंड फॉर कमिंग बिफोर योर लॉर्डशिप इज, हमारे बीच 2011 में एडमिटेडली एक फैमिली अरेंजमेंट हुआ था,
हम्म,
विच इज एडमिटेड बाय द प्लेंटिव्स।
हम्म,
Trial court has not relied upon that by only granting the reason that उसमें कोई एरिया नहीं।
ये तो फैमिली अरेंजमेंट इट इज एग्जिबिटेड डॉक्यूमेंट।
It is an exhibited document. It is exhibit D15.
D15।
इसमें हम तीन जो सिस्टर्स हैं
whether
लॉर्डशिप।
the defendant number one succeeded to prove that document exhibit D1।
यस लॉर्डशिप, हमने उसके विटनेसेस जो पंच थे, हमने वी हैव एग्जामिन्ड देम, दे हैव स्टेटेड दैट दिस अरेंजमेंट टुक प्लेस बिटवीन द बोथ द प्लेंटिव्स एंड द डिफेंडेंट नंबर वन। The both the plaintiffs have also agreed that Exhibit D15 was entered into by them.
it is partition deed or family arrangement।
It is a though it is named as Batwara Nama, but it is
then
a family arrangement.
is it registered।
No, no, Lordship. It is a family arrangement. उन्होंने
no, no, no. If it is written as Batwara Nama partition deed, it
Lordship,
requires registration according to section 17 of the Registration Act।
Lordship,
If it is not a registered document, then same is not admissible in evidence, though you have proved it by leading evidence, by examining attesting witnesses. But this document can't be looked into. It can be looked into for collateral purposes and not for other purpose।
Lordship. If for once D15 may be seen, it is basically an arrangement made between the three sisters, क्योंकि उसमें हमने equal partition किया नहीं है। उसमें हमने विलेजेस के अकॉर्डिंग पार्टीशन
हाँ तो
अरेंजमेंट कर लिया है।
therefore the learned trial court rightly passed decree of partition 1/3 share to each of the daughter of Kausalya। What's wrong in it?
Lordship, once we had entered into a family arrangement, and that family arrangement becomes binding upon the parties.
How it will?
They had been 2011 में ये family arrangement हुआ था, and after that we had been staying there in our respective properties. Now it is the contention of the plaintiffs that क्योंकि कुछ properties की value ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि equal land नहीं मिला था सबको, now they want equal partition.
बंटवारा नामा, इसको देखते हैं क्या लिखा है इसमें।
Lordship.
Whether it is memorandum of partition or it is partition। ये तो बंटवारा नाम है मैडम, ये तो देखिए शुरू में लिखा हुआ है, जिसमें ये पंचों ने निर्णय लिया जिसे तीनों, क्या लिखा हुआ है, मैं आपसी सहमति से बंटवारा गया। पंचान निर्णय लिया गया कि बंटवारा में उजतदारी करेगा उससे 5,000 अक्षरी 5,000 रुपए दंड लिया जाएगा। तो it is a partition deed and it was recorded reduced into writing by Kotwar, Pakshkar and Panchaz in presence of the witnesses.
Lordship,
Then it requires registration. Same is not admissible. And on the basis of this document, you can't claim right over the property which was given to you, which fell in your share.
Lordship. My submission, Lordship, had it been a partition deed, we would have specifically mentioned as to which part or which khasra numbers would have gone into each person's share. We merely
has-
made an arrangement between three
It-
sisters that one
It has no value. It has no value.
we have merely made an arrangement that
In absence of registration, it is not a memorandum of partition. It is a partition deed. It requires registration. Sorry, लिखिए Miss Aditi Singh हुई for appellant slash defendant number 1. Mr. Rajkumar Pali for plaintiffs. Respond number 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Miss Nilma Singh Thakur, penal lawyer for respond number 7. None for other respondents. The defendant number 1 has challenged the judgment and decree passed by the first additional district judge Balod, District Balod, passed in civil suit number 32A/14, dated 16/4/2018, whereby the civil suit filed by the plaintiffs was partly decreed. The plaintiffs filed civil suit. The genealogy of the parties is given below. ये देख लेना, इसमें बनाया हूं मैं, ठीक है ना। The plaintiffs and defendant number 1 are daughters of Itwari Ram, late Itwari Ram and Kaushalya. Agricultural lands and the houses were entered into name of the late Itwari Ram in 3 different villages, namely Bodhi, क्या है फिर, Mahlai,
Bori, Mohlai,
And
and
Karela.
Karela.
Mahlai and Karela. Full stop. Earlier there was a civil litigation between the parties, and the property owned by late Itwari was partitioned between the 2 branches of Kaushalya and Janki. Full stop. The sued property, which is exclusive property of daughters of the Kaushalya, are described in Schedule A and B, including houses. As per the plant averments, Itwari Ram died on 13/11/2002. There was a partition in a civil suit number 22A/2004, white judgment and decree dated 16/11/2004 between Kausalya Bai and her daughters on one side and Janki Bai and his sons and daughters on other side. It is further pleaded that Kausalya Bai died in the year 2006, but there was no partition between the plaintiffs and defendant number one. There